UPSC Prelims is becoming trickier year by year. One mantra which still works is deep analysis of the UPSC Prelims question papers. Hey guys, this is Sukanya Rana. I'm the means head, and today I'm here to tell you about a seminar which is being held by Santosh Sir, who heads our prelims program. So Santosh Sir is taking actually a seminar at our Delhi center which will discuss these mantras, these strategies which you can apply to get a good score in UPSC Prelims. So this webinar will cater around some 50 major important themes that you need to cover if you want to qualify in Prelims 2023. Along with Santosh Sir, we'll have IPS Shubham as well to guide you through his experience of clearing prelims. Now, Santosh Sir himself have scored 120 plus marks in every prelim attempt that he's given. And over the years in Civilsdaily, he's guided some 200 students for prelims preparation. So don't lose out this opportunity. Get yourself registered for this particular seminar and do attend this offline webinar at our location at the Delhi Center. Thank you so much.